Welcome back to Andes Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see previous Discord servers you joined. Let's begin. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Discord, click the register option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Discord servers often host friends, colleagues, or acquaintances. Revisiting previous servers can help you re-establish contact with people you might have lost touch with. And again, rejoining previous servers can expand your current network, allowing you to meet new people who have joined since you left and reconnect your old contacts. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to check your previous Discord server here. Now, if you're using the Discord for PC, the first thing you need to do is to hover to the explorable discoverable servers, and you might want to type in some keywords that you think have left an impression to the Discord server that you have previously. For example, it could have been related to Minecraft. Type in and to see if something rings a bell. All right. You can also go to the add server, wherein all you're gonna do is join a server. For example, maybe about League of Legends and a lot more. All right. So those are the few ways that you can explore on how to check the previous servers that you joined with. Now, the next option that you can do is you need to hover to your cog icon setting, the user setting here. Now, once you do that, the next option is once you are here, click on the user settings, privacy and safety, and you just hover down below where it says request data. Now, the thing is, when you request the data, it will give you all the activities that you had done in the past, messages, programs, and of course, as you can see, servers. All right. So in this particular moment, you would be able to see the previous Discord servers you might have joined and forgot with. All right. Now just click on the request my data button here, and what will happen is, as you can see, the privacy farmers have begun harvesting your data, and this can take up to 30 days. But again, they will email you when it's done. All right. Now you can also try that using your mobile device. Now again, on the settings, click the privacy and safety, and just hover down below where it says request all your data. Click the request your data, and again, it may take up you 30 days to collect. It's the same process as we did in the web version. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.